everyone, this is Darvesh Khan, Subject Specialist English. Today I'm here with a new lecture. Please watch my video, like it and subscribe my channel English with Darvish. This video is lecture number 26. Lecture number 26 is about the comparison of two different types of grammar. What is that? The very first one is theoretical grammar. Theoretical grammar versus applied grammar. It is quite clear to us that a theoretical grammarian, when he applies theoretical grammar, what he finds out, he actually finds out data through observation. He finds out corpus through observation. He gives us, is the word theoretical itself, it gives us a meaning of theory. Then whatever he found out, that everything that he finds out, that is here in data. This data is conferred, is given to applied grammarian. And in applied grammar, a grammarian applies this very data practically. He applies it practically. This shows that a practitioner, the role of a practitioner, the practice is there. The role of a practitioner, for example, a language teacher is there. He is called an applied grammarian for us, because if there is a simple present tense, or we say present indefinite tense, there is an understanding of present indefinite tense in a book. It is quite clear to us that whatever we study about present indefinite tense in a book, that is data written by a theoretical grammarian in a book. How to apply present indefinite tense in our practical daily life? This very example shows to us the difference between applied grammar and theoretical grammar. That an applied grammarian tries his best to apply that very present indefinite tense in his class. Who is that applied grammarian? As a teacher, as a language instructor, he tries his best to apply that. He teaches present indefinite tense, and he practically gives some kind of application to present indefinite tense like this. He says that there is subject, there is verb, and there is object. When the subject is I, we, you, they, plus a plural name, we should not add s or es to the verb. This shows that applied grammarian teaches it practically to the students, to the learners, and he practically applies it. So we say, we study English. Then he gives us another example. If there is a person and he is singular and we talk about him, then the use of present indefinite tense should be like this: subject plus verb plus s or es plus object. He teaches English. The use of es with the verb. This practical example which is given to us, it is by applied grammarian, and such study is called applied grammar, because we understand structure, we understand the use of words. Practically, such practical applications could be called as applied grammar, while the data, the theory, the corpus which is given to us, that is by theoretical grammarian, and the study is called theoretical grammar. Now, looking at these sentences, a theoretical grammar has, in theoretical grammar, a grammarian has found out rules and regulations specifically, but practically applied by applied grammarian with the help of applied grammar. I say that there is an exercise to students. He teaches grammar. Now a student would try his best to choose, or a learner would try his best to choose which one is correct. If he is singular subject, it is quite clear that we use es with the verb when the subject is singular in present indefinite tense. Es, he chooses, he teaches grammar. This practical application is taught in applied grammar, but the rules about it, the data about it, the understanding about it, it is given by theoretical grammar, but practically applied by an applied grammarian in applied grammar. The second example that I would give you, suppose there is a sentence. Suppose there is a sentence and that sentence is in present indefinite tense. He teaches grammar. How should we change he teaches grammar into past tense? He teaches there and taught is here. And here is grammar. What a person will try his best to choose. He, and then we should use second form. What is the past form of teach? That is taught. He taught grammar. Such understanding about regular, irregular verbs, about the use of singular and plural, about the use of different verbs, such applications in applied grammar would be taught by an applied grammarian as a practitioner. I hope this video is very essential for you. It is very beneficial for you. If you have any problem, any point, please write in my comment section. Subscribe my channel. Thank you all.